Okay, why don't we talk about the age that is appropriate for a patient to have a facelift and a neck lift? Well, first off, there's no absolute rule to this. I have done facelifts and neck lifts, full facelifts and neck lifts on patients who are in their young 40s. And then I've also done this very similar or almost exactly the same procedure on patients who are in the later 70s or even younger 80s. Now, for that upper age range, it's really important that the patient be healthy, that their cardiovascular status is healthy enough to undergo a surgery. But often we find that the patients who are at least seeking out this type of operation, they feel older than they would like to look. And so, they get approval from their physician. We're able to do this operation very safely for them. In the younger age range, what I think is one important thing for a patient to understand is where the scars will be, and we'll talk about that in a different segment. I think that's something that younger patients want to understand a little bit better, because in younger patients, scars can be slightly more visible because of the difference between younger healing and older healing. And then anywhere in between is really appropriate. But the way I like to explain it to a patient is that if you come to my office and you discuss with me things that you would like to have addressed that really are best suited to be addressed with a face and a neck lift, you're a good candidate. Now, I will say, rarely is someone a good candidate when they're less than 40, and I don't think I ever have, and I probably won't ever do a facelift in someone who's less than 40. But within 40 to 80, that's certainly, any one of those ages is appropriate. What are the things that patients are seeking when they want a face and neck lift? Well, clearly they want to look more energetic. They want to look more youthful. And they feel that the appearance of their face with the malar fat pad that has descended, the excess skin along the jawline, the jowls, the loose skin in the neck, they feel like all of that is kind of holding them back from feeling and looking as youthful as they want to. So again, we see that sometimes in people who are 40s and have aged early, and then again, clearly when you have people in their 70s and 80s, that might be the type of thing they're seeking to change.